Okay, I'm recording probably the last blizzard for the winter season. Well, it's no winter season anymore. We're in spring, but this is a spring now in Edmonton. Look, this is a spring in Edmonton. Oh my god. Oof. We are on April 10, 2021. It's a spring, officially spring. We're in spring, but this is a blizzard that we're getting now on April. The temperature probably is what? Feels like a -3. This is how it looks. So I'm at work now. I have to clear the entrance. Can I call? Who moved the security box? Crap. Why did you do that? Anyways, I'm gonna throw the garbage. Oh, oh my god, I don't know where I'm walking. Everything's covering here. And yeah, this is the temperature. Crazy. This is Edmonton weather. So don't remove your winter tires yet on April. Never ever remove your winter tires in April if you live here in Edmonton. Well, they said that on the Weather Channel, they said that we'll have snow, but not this. This is a blizzard. Oh, great. Somebody uncovered. Really? Look. Somebody uncovered the grill. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, no way. Holy. Okay. It's the best. I don't have gloves. I'm freezing my hands. Ooh, it's cold. Okay. So, somebody removed my sandbags from the fence. I use these sandbags on the fence because I noticed that one areas on the fence there's like a big space, so the coyotes can come inside easily and get inside, and if they found any garbage bag around they will destroy it. So that's why I put these sandbags, but apparently somebody moved it. Oh, today they came to do the gardening, the mowing the garden, so probably they did that. They remove it, but there is no point to put it down. Put it down. Let me see. How deep is this? Oh, there is snow here. So it's deep. So these are the spaces that I'm talking about. In this space, they push a little bit. If there is a coyote, a cow, this the cows just can fit in this. and get inside the house, and they will destroy the. They found garbage, food, something. They will just make a mess. It happened before, so that's why I look to put the sandbags in here. But I won't do it because I don't have any glove, and I'm gonna freeze in my hands using gloves. It's really cold. So, oh my gosh. So everything is freezing. Have to be careful now. I need to grab with this hand because my hand is really freezing. Okay. So yeah, it's getting worse and worse. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how it's spring here in Edmonton, Alberta. It can change anytime. I'm gonna clear the steps, and then I will get ready to leave if my coworker come on time and release me. We're officially in spring. The temperatures were very nice, but suddenly all this. So now I'm gonna try to clean my car without a brush. Good luck.